Hi, it's June 10th, 2024, and we're a couple of volunteer members of the Decay Devils, a local nonprofit. And our mission here at 5th and Broadway, downtown Gary, is to replace this this is the new streetcar sign that we just installed. Over here is the old one we took out, which we'll get a close look at later. But this street sign was installed about 10 years ago by the Department of Transportation, and it fell apart, as you can see in that old one. But it's very important for this corner. This corner was platted in 1906. U.S. Steel founded the town of Gary through the Gary Land Company, and part of the original plan that the Gary Land Company had was electric streetcars, just like all big towns in that era. So it kind of showed U.S. Steel knew what was going to happen here. And sure enough, electric streetcars were a very important component of Gary from 1906. I think it started operation in 1908, and it ran through the end of World War II, 1947. Well, the 1920s was the peak years, and then it tapered off during the Depression, boomed again during the war years. So the original system, as this marker shows, was a pair of streetcar tracks in the middle, in the median, of 5th Avenue, Broadway, and 11th Avenue. Actually, 11th Avenue was developed before 5th Avenue. So now you can visit downtown Gary and read the history yourself. Thanks a lot.